Coming to you live from the OpenStack Barcelona Summit and the OpenStack and Beyond podcast. I'm here with Roland Chan from Aptira. Tell me a little bit about what you do at Aptira and what Aptira does in the context of OpenStack.
So we build OpenStack-based solutions and offer all the services surrounding that, starting from initial consulting through to solution delivery, support, managed services, and training.
And is there a big OpenStack market in Australia and in that region?
It's growing. It's not maybe as broad a market as it might be elsewhere in the world. There's a lot of work going on in telcos at the moment, which we're very happy to be part of.
Awesome. Yeah, they're actually bringing OpenStack to Sydney soon. The big summit is going to be there. Are you getting excited about that?
Yes, we are. We put quite a bit of effort in getting that decision made in our favour, and yeah, we're really happy that it's coming out, and hopefully everybody can come out and see how wonderful Sydney is.
I know that Aptira, like Cloudify, does a lot of work around the community in OpenStack. Tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing there and how it's kind of helping you build out your OpenStack strategy.
We're very heavily involved in the OpenStack user groups in the countries we operate in. So we're in Australia, obviously. We founded the Australian user group. We're in India. Our CTO, Kavit Munshi, is the founder and administrator of that user group. We're also active in Taipei and Hungary, where we also have offices. So we basically, wherever we go, we get very heavily involved in the user groups and try and put on a good event for everybody.
Excellent. So you said you do a lot of stuff around Upstream. Do you do any development? Do you contribute any code upstream? Are you involved in any other projects?
We don't do an enormous amount of upstream contribution. We get involved where our operations team is finding bugs and where we work pretty heavily to make sure that those get squashed. But in terms of running, participating in the forward development of the projects, no, that's not really a focus of our business. When we look at our involvement in the community, it's more about organisation and community events and things like that.
It's fantastic. So you've been on OpenStack from the ground floor, kind of like us. Tell us how you feel about where it's evolving, where you'd like to see it going, the things that you're hopeful to see in the upcoming releases.
Look, I know there's been a little bit of angst, I guess, around in the air in this particular summit about some certain things that are happening out in the ecosystem. Aptira is not terribly concerned by that. I think we see the growth in the areas that we're strong in. Telcos, SDN, NFV are all areas where we play very well, and that market's not going anywhere. There are certainly some hiccups in other areas of the market, and I know the debate about OpenStack and public cloud has been going on for as long as OpenStack's been around, and it certainly seems like that's perhaps problematic for some people, and there are also other areas where maybe some OpenStack companies aren't going too well. But from Aptira's perspective, we're pretty happy with where we are. We see growth where we're strong, and that can only be a good thing for us.
Yeah, there's definitely been a very, very strong NFV and SDN footprint at this last summit. What are some of the interesting things that you've seen and heard about going on?
I haven't seen anything massively new. What I have seen is a lot of the ideas that have been surfaced previously coming into a more mature phase and coming through, being an idea and coming through proof of concept to coming into production. So I'm really happy to see that actually turning from an idea or a concept into reality.
Awesome. Thank you. We'd love to see you at the Tel Aviv event, and we hope to see you in Sydney also. Thank you.
Thank you.